Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine, and in this video, gagawa tayo ng 3-ingredient sponge cake. I was looking for simple and cheap recipe online, and I stumbled upon this recipe and decided to try it. This recipe only requires 3 ingredients: eggs, flour, and sugar. This is really easy, so let's start. The ingredients that we are going to need are 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons flour, 6 tablespoons of sugar. First, let's separate the egg white and the egg yolk. Second, let's combine the egg yolks, flour, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well until smooth. Third, whip the egg whites while gradually adding the remaining sugar. Continue beating until soft peaks form. Next, combine the egg whites and the egg yolk mixture. We should do it gently. Pour it in a prepared pan with parchment paper or any kinds of paper. Bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the heat. And there we have it, our 3-ingredient sponge cake. You can put any toppings you want, like chocolate, fruits, whatever you desire. I put chocolates on mine. So what I like about this cake is that it's really fluffy and not too sweet. But I really didn't like the smell. So if you want to try this recipe, I would recommend you to use vanilla extract just to add a delicious scent and flavor. So guys, I hoped you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Once again, it's me, Charmaine. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!